In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set stock quantity in WooCommerce fast and easy. If you're running an online store, managing your inventory efficiently is key to ensuring that orders are fulfilled seamlessly and your customers stay happy. To kick this off, we'll start from your WordPress dashboard, setting up the stock quantity directly from there. First things first, let's navigate over to your WordPress dashboard. Once you're logged in, you're going to want to look for the Products section on the left-hand menu. This is your main hub for all product management tasks. Go ahead and click on Products. Here, you'll find a list of all the items currently available in your store. Now that you're in the Products section, take a moment to glance over the list. Browse through and select the product you wish to update. It's as simple as clicking on the product title or the Edit link that appears beneath it. Clicking this will bring you to the Product Editing interface, where you have all the tools you need to adjust the details of this specific product. In the Product Editing screen, look for the Inventory tab. You'll typically find it along with several other options, like General, Shipping, and Linked Products. The Inventory tab is where you manage stock-related settings. Click on Inventory to proceed. Within the Inventory section, there's an option labeled Stock Status. Here you'll be able to specify whether the product is in stock or out of stock. Clicking on this will reveal a drop-down menu. For now, go ahead and select In Stock. By enabling the In Stock option, you're effectively telling WooCommerce that this product is available for purchase, which is crucial for maintaining seamless operations in your online store. And that's really all there is to it. With these simple steps, you can efficiently manage the stock status of your products. This process is designed to be as seamless as possible, ensuring that you spend less time fiddling with settings and more time focusing on growing your business. Managing stock with precision not only prevents overselling, but also enhances the customer experience by keeping them informed about product availability. Remember, this is an ongoing task. Keep your inventory up to date as stock levels change. By maintaining regular inventory checks and updates, you can provide a better shopping experience and potentially increase your sales. So go ahead and try it out yourself and let us know how it goes. Thanks for watching, and until next time, happy selling.